Now you might not believe it, but some of my absolute favorite times showing you properties is when I get to show you brand new communities. And so that's what's happening today. If you are in the search for your Houston home and you have a certain area in mind, this might not be for you, but if you're still open to areas and checking out what's available and the different builders around Houston, stay tuned. I think you're gonna really like what you see today. We are looking at Ashton Woods today in Crosby, Texas. They've got a brand new community that they are in here in this area, and I am super excited to show it to you because Ashton Woods, I've always thought that Ashton Woods has some incredible plans, and the price point is very good at the 300 and 400 range. And so I want to show it to you. If you're looking in that range, I think come over here to the east side of Houston and check out this community and see what they have to offer. Always say that whenever you're looking for properties, don't necessarily limit yourself to an area or two. If you don't really know where you want to be yet, check out this community. So we're going to take a look at both of Ashton Woods' model homes today in this community. They've got a 50-foot section and a 60-foot section. The 50-foot section has less offerings in terms of packages, in terms of finishes. In the 60-foot section, they do offer more features, more that you can add and upgrade in those homes and those floor plans. And so if that's something that you want to do, that is an option here. And so my goal is to show you properties that you might not have seen otherwise and to show you the new stuff going in here in the Houston area. So if you're ready, let's go take a look at these. All right, woke up to lots of snow on the ground this morning. If you don't know, in Houston, we get snow, but not very often. This is the Aubrey plan that we're looking at now. It's the 2-story plan at 2,900 square feet. There's 4 beds, 3.5 baths. There's a study here and a game room and a 2-car garage. I believe the study before was a family space that they converted specifically into a study. Let me know what you think. Enjoy. What did you think about the Aubrey plan? Next, we're taking a look at the 50-foot section, and we're looking at the Cheyenne plan here. This is a one-story, 2079 square foot plan, 3 beds, 2.5 baths. There's a mudroom with a covered patio. There is a study here in this plan, and if you don't do any changes or upgrades to the plan itself, this is a dining room, but they created this to be a study, which is flexible, and that's one of the things that I like about Ashton Woods here. This is a lovely one-story plan. They have several others that are a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller than this one. Let me know what you think and enjoy.